Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Yes, sir.
இந்த பக்கம் குடிக்கல அது பதில் குடிக்கல ஹலோ
Yes, sir.
லைட் எரிஞ்சது இல்ல இப்ப வருது ஹலோ
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can you listen my words?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Right? Hello. Thank you. So today we will see the calculus, remaining part of the calculus we will see you, right? My voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you will see right, one by one I will teach you the basic concept. This is the today the overall idea of the integration. So there is a list of integration techniques. List of integration techniques. Okay, voice is okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Substitution is a mean you assign a big equation in a normally we will assign you as a U form. U is sometimes square root, everything come inside. Right? I will solve one question, don't worry. Second one, integration by parts. Today we will see this. So far we will assign direct integration. Sometimes substitutions are very worth. Otherwise you won't write all the thing again and again. So sometime 1 over root into x square plus 1 you will assign as 1 over u. Right? U should be, write down u is equal to root of x square plus 1. Then you do the integration, then you substitute again. After the integration, substitute with the, instead of u, what is the equation real, right? Today we will see integration by part. Today we will see integration by partial fraction also. It's also new technique, partial fraction, right? So trigonometric substitution also, sometimes cos square, tan square, theta plus 1 like that, then you assign as a u and do it. So these are the 4 techniques we will see. Normally trigonometric substitutions are, normally we will directly do trigonometric function, but normally substitutions are doing. So integral by part, integration by partial fraction, we will see today. Right? The first one, this is the way, this is the basic integral formula. Basic integral formula, suppose u to the power n is there. Hello friends, you see the PowerPoint? Can you?
Sir, yes.
Yeah, it is visible on your screen.
Yes, sir.
Right. So integral sign x to the power n dx is a very simple formula, simple integral formula. Not complex, we will call compound function, we will call u to the power n. X to the power n, x having simple manner. There are sometimes cos x, tan x, ln x, that's a compound nature. So here x is alone, is a very basic, n the power dx is there. So we call integral sign, integrand and differentiation index is nearby. Then only you will add one more in the power. Don't add x plus 1. Don't do it or don't write or don't think. You will never add to the variable. Variable should be there, x. Power should be, power is a number. N is a number, you add one more. Add one mean, further you adding 1. And divided same power. Same power mean, after adding 1, what is the power number? So you should be divided by that same number. N plus 1. Add one more in the power, then you all the power. What is the final power? You should be divide. Then constant is 1 is there because the integration is a reverse function of the differentiation. When you differentiate, constant should be 0. That is why maybe in the primary function, constant may be there. We don't know. So that is why all the integration techniques or integration answer, we will add plus c, one compound further. So if you don't add plus c, it is not nice, but we will give you marks. If you add plus c, it is very good. Zero. Again divide. Is a 1. Suppose x into n plus 1 should be 0. Not 0. So okay, x to the power 0 is a 1. So it should be infinity is the answer, but infinitive here in the integration, infinitive not a absolute number, right? Very correctly speaking, infinitive is not a absolute number. It may be 1 or 1,000 or 1 lakh or 1 million. We don't know. So absolute number, absolute answer won't be there. So that is why here the condition n never been minus 1. So here what the second one, what is the solution for 1 over x? 1 over x means dx over x. It means x minus 1. You see, x minus 1 condition, what is the solution? Then they define 1 over x into dx, or otherwise dx over x should be ln x. Dx over x should be ln x. So now solution is there. N never be minus 1. What is the solution for minus 1? Right? Plus c. Here another one. X always greater than 0. Then 0 also less than 0. Integral will be not valid. So x should be greater than 0. Right? So UV format, this is the one today we will want to see. You see here, integral by parts. Actually, this is called UV format. Right? UV format. How they write, I will write you in the board. Now, after a few minutes, I will write this equation, how this equation comes from. So the fourth one, integral sign into e to the power x into dx. I told you, exponent in the differentiation also. Here we are talking the integration. Differentiation also, it should be 0. Right? Differentiation also. Hello, can you listen now? I stopped the video. Can you listen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. E to the power x is a exponential. In the differentiation, e to the power x should be e to the power x. Then differentiation also same as e to the power x is e to the power. So what normally actually don't we are earlier one. So earlier one is the initial start of our faculty. This mathematical department offer this course to the undergraduate of agriculture. Then there are a lot of failures are there, but they are very systematic. Yes, better than our faculty staff, mathematical persons, but they have high standard mathematical knowledge. So that is why it is our student can't understand advanced mathematics. We know the basic. So that is why our title is basic mathematics. So that is why we will do during the postgraduate, we will learn this mathematical solution, and we will offer to you, our staff, ourselves decided to offer with our staff to this calculus part. So that is why we sometimes missing the real explanation, but this explanation is enough to pass. That is why our curriculum design by you want to pass in mathematics, that's enough to pass your degree, or you complete your degree. Mathematics, basic mathematics should be pass. We want the eligibility criteria pass. Pass is a C, right? More than 50 marks, you want to get it from out of 100. So we are not expected 90 or 80 or 70 or 60. Only we expected 51 marks to pass this subject. Suppose you are clever enough or you are good intelligent, you will get A plus, A minus, B plus, B minus, B. So many grades are there. So that is your duty. But all of the other people want to pass this, the minimum marks to pass is a 50. So what I told you, why I told this matter here, e to the power x is dx is e to the power x. Sometime e to the power 2x is there, you will write e to the power 2x plus c. That's wrong. That's why I want to tell you, mathematical people, not mathematical staff, mathematical student or mathematical background student, they know very well than you, because they learn in A level in a very competitive manner. So we are now, university is less competitive. A level is very high competitive. They know very well in mathematics. So this part is very simple there. So here what you learn, e to the power x is a very, that is called simple integration. So the compound manner, sometimes e to the power x square, e to the power x having square. So here what they That is, e to the power x square is not the answer. It's a different manner. You want to solve this. Likewise, here, x to the power n is a simple. Sometimes this n have again x plus 1 or sometimes some other power. So power to the power. So they also having problem. Here you see dx over x. You will tell ln x. So d over dx square, then what you answer? ln x square? No. Okay, very clearly understand dx over x square never been ln x square. So that is the critical thinking of yourself. We are not teach that much of level. Here 1 over x alone should be. Suppose 1 dx over x plus 1. So sometime x square plus 1. So ln x square plus 1 into something. You won't write it further. It's called chain rule. According to the chain rule, the compound function should be integrated. This is a simple integration formula. Simple integration formula I teach you now. So here du, dv are, u is a one sort of function depend on x. V also one sort of function depend on x. That's why the equation is come there. So e to the power x should be e to the power x. E to the power x square, not the answer of e to the power x square. Right? Very careful. If it is simple form, okay. I will explain that. Right? E to the power ax into dx. So you write e to the power x plus 3, wrong answer. That is why they will do 1 upon a. They put the answer 1 upon a into e to the power x. Why? A is there. Additionally, if you chain rule, the ax want to be differentiate again. So the ax differentiate a is there. So 1a is in the upper. Numerator 1a is there. So we want to divide a, that a should be cancelled. Then you have this answer will there. Right? If you differentiate this, 1a is there in the upper position. So the dividing position we will put 1a, that a is cancelled. Then your answer should be, the original function should be e to the. So if you want, please do it with 1 upon a into e to the power x plus c. Do it the differentiation. I will ask you, you don't know integration, okay. Now I teach you. So do integration here. So take 1 upon a out. Why it's a constant? Do a to the e to the power x, e to the power ax into a. There you multiply 1 upon a into e to the power ax into a cancel. Then e to the power x dx is the answer. Okay. Can you understand now? So far, examination, seminar, so many various works are there. That is why I will not concentrate in your integration. Today I will teach you what you have all the doubts. Today I want to solve. Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, whatever doubts, today I will solve you. Now I will do new share. Okay, we will move one more and we will think. Right, this formula, how this formula comes from. What is the write down? U into dv. Write down this formula. Integral sign u into dv equal to uv minus. Hello, read. One person read this. I want to know, you are saying the PowerPoint is ever visible or not. Read this one, last sentence, read. Otherwise I will not continue. Read this last sentence.
Integration sign u into dv is equal to uv minus integration sign v into du.
Yes, you will write a integral sign, integral. Okay, integration sign also okay, that's correct. But you will integral sign u into dv equal to uv minus integral sign v into du. So today I will use here, I will take whiteboard. Oh, sorry. Whiteboard here. Now you see the board? Oh, yes. Now also, so here what they raise a split stem, select text, use here whiteboard. Here. Use here. Hello?
Yes, sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Wait, we will have a whiteboard is there. Not a in the screen, it's a board is there. I want to write it there. So I will get it. After that, I will explain you by the board. I will write and explain. I will ask you the help from the computer unit. I will be there. So don't worry. I will move and I will explain. Right here, you see, very simply explain. What is the UV differentiation? U into dV over dx, right? Plus V into dV over dx. Plus V into du over dx. This is the differentiation concept. That is why I thought I will I will discuss earlier the first section, differentiation. So d over dx into uv is equal to u into dv over dx plus v into du over dx. Very simply, d into dv uv equal to u into dv plus v into du. Very simple. One function won't go constant, other one differentiate, plus other function should be which one? Earlier differentiate function should be constant now. You see dv is a differentiation of v function. Then v function won't be constant. Other function, one function should be differentiate, other one constant. So it's clearly d into uv is then UVC. What is the integration? Always, every integration formula, some dx is nearby. Fx into dx. Integral sign fx into dx. So here you see here dx is not there. So we cannot put this is a front. You understand? D is there. Dx is not there. Dx means differentiation index of the x variable. Here d is there. Integral sign is there, but integral dx is not there. dv integral index, du integral index. Which one? Which one you like, you take it out one from these two. This is one never be front. That is why we will take u into dv front. U into dv front, because integral sign u into dx is a normal formula. According to the formula, dv over du, whatever you can take it out, no problem. The front. So that is why du we will take out this front. If you the one is front, other one go other side and minus, subtract. Hello. Plus v into du go there. D into uv minus v into du. Why we want to do it this one? After that, you put integral sign everywhere. First you put u into dv in front of this integral sign, equal integral sign here, minus integral sign again. You see, integral sign here. Right. Why not here integral sign is not there? Integral sign into d equal to 1. So that is the integration law, integration policy. Integral sign into d. Integral sign into dx, what is the value? Hello. Integral sign into dx, what is the value? X. Integral sign into dx is x. Right? Integral sign into d is 1. Integral sign into dx is equal to x. Integral sign into d 1. So that is why we will not put integral sign here. uv is there. No need to put integral sign. Minus integral sign v into du. Right? So this is the basic formula how it should be come from the differentiation concept. uv is equal to v into du plus u into dv. According from this, normal integration equal need this differentiation index. That is why one of the differentiation index formula comes from uv minus v into du. Someday you tell, oh no, I don't like. So okay, you bring v into du from. No problem. Right? This is called integration by parts. Right? So we will see this. Same thing. Here explain fx into gx, fx dot g dash x plus g into f dash x, put integral sign. Here also integral sign, they are integral sign of d1. That is why leave it as a, right? Here you see u is fx, v is gx, du is f dash x, dv is g dash x. After the differentiation, we will put dv. dv is differentiator of v function, differentiator of u function. So uv equal to these two integral sign are there. So take one side u into dv. So other side should be minus. So if you put the upper limit and lower limit, so it should be a definite integral, right? It should be a definite integral, right? Yes, this also same concept, integral by parts. Surely you will have two examples. Quiz 2 question, semester 2, final also 2, integral by parts is there. Right? So here, why this 1 over 8 is there? Hello, why 1 over 8 is there? You see, this is the n. 3 is now n, not this 3. Power 3 is n. n plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Divide by 4. So, okay. Here, right. Here one thing, the blue color one. Blue color, hello. Can you listen?
Yes, sir.
The blue color, what is the blue color pen? 1 over 8 into 8 is there, no? So this is called substitution. Hello, this is called under the substitution, that is u. Here we told dividing and multiplying. Dividing and multiplying. You see, 1 over 8 is a dividing factor. 8 is a multiplying factor. So divide and multiply, these two are cancelled. Normally, multiply by constant, multiply by, divide by constant. Multiply or divide by constant rule. This is very clear. Why we put 8? So many numbers there. Why we put 8? You see, 4x square. What is the differentiation of 4x square? Hello? 4x square. What is the differentiation?
8x.
8x won't be near. But here x is there. 8 is not there. What will you do? Suppose x is not there, you can't put x. You cannot add variable. I told you add or multiply or divide by constant. Constant is a number. X is a variable. But x is there. But 8 is not there. 8 is compulsory bound to be there because it is 4x square. Suppose alone x square, x is alone, no need. 4x square is there. Surely 8x won't be nearby. Otherwise you can't do it. Right? I will tell you why. Very clearly today I want to solve your full doubts. So far what you did, I did many application part in the differentiation. That's also you have very, very high doubts that there. Some of you, I don't want to tell you, I don't want to verify. I don't want to verify who are the intelligent students, who are the not intelligent, who are the people can't understand. By all of you are come from same such score. So everyone are same. So I told you many times, all of you are same examination pathway. So you came to the university in a same track. Keep on your mind. Same track mean that is a intelligent capacity track should be. They put via track number having this match of such square. Such square is an indication of your capacity. Capacity to do work mean your energy. Your energy track should be same. Don't think, he is a very good person, got A plus, all of you A plus. That is a wrong concept to the university. All are come from same energy track. So nobody will excellent than the other. So everyone are same. So but that is why I told you, you think little. You think little, then you will be in a very excellent position. Right? So please think here, what I told you, if you differentiate this function, right, everywhere integration come, please recall your integration. So 4x square is there. Normally x plus 3 cube is there, you answer x plus 3, 4 to the power 4, okay. But is the 4x square there? Then it should be 8x. Suppose you want to be 8x here, put x is there, that is the compulsory. Without x, don't put 8x, 8 dx also there, you can't do it. 8x into dx needed. Dx there, x won't. Very carefully listen, please. X is compulsory, be there in the question. Suppose 8 is not there, you multiply 8 inside and outside you will divide 1 over 8. Then this part, this 8x into 4x square plus 3 dx should be differentiate. It should be 4x square plus 3 whole thing in the bracket. Put 1 power more, divide by 1 power more, multiply this 1 upon 8. So 8 into 4, 32. Now answer 4x square plus 3 divide by to the power 4 divide by 32 plus 6. This is the answer. If you put this answer 0, If you don't divide by 8, your answer should be, your mark should be 0. Maybe you will have 50% completed, but answer never be 2 or 3. Answer should be 1. So it should be divided by 32. Very careful now. That's why you see here, very simply. Integral sign a to the power e to the power ax into dx divide by a, because after the differentiation a is there. You want to be a is there. That a should be cancelled by dividing a. That is why answer 1 upon a into a e to the power x. Okay, now you can understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I want to write in the whiteboard. Please wait. Don't move. Today I will finish 12:30. Haridhar. So what is the thing is there? How you understand UV or U into dV? There are two x components there. You see x square is a one component, variable square, and ln x also there into dx. So obviously you know this is the UV. There are two. Can't be multiply x square by ln x. You cannot multiply, but this is already in the multiple form. Already in the multiple form. So what do you think? X should be alone. One x is there, or otherwise x should be in the series, additive or minor, subtract form. Additive in subtract form is there, don't use UV. Hello, x square minus ln x, don't use it. X square plus ln x, don't use this integration by parts. Whenever these two are multiple form, whenever these two functions are in multiple manner. Hello, can you listen? It is, yes, the system, mean the internet should be something disconnected, but now it's okay. Hello? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So,
These two functions are in multiple form. Oh, voice is not clear. Hello?
Clear, sir.
clear, sir.
Clear, ne?
Yes, sir.
Right. Please tell the, we call feedback. Whatever you want to tell, then I also happy. Otherwise, I will tell you, you also, we don't know your face. You also don't know our face. So we learn whatever. Earlier mean, don't think the mathematics. Normally engineering faculty, as medical faculty, don't think seriously. It should be a don't think negatively. We call whatever we told you, take it a positive manner. Engineering faculty, they don't like to conduct examination through this Zoom. Or otherwise we call online platform. Very nice word, online platform. We are going to the, yes, tell me. Hello. So I want, yes. Now, what is the term of this learning? Online platform learning. You tell class, smart classroom, online class, meeting, or Zoom class, Microsoft Team class, whatever. Very nice word, online platform. So normally you are sitting on the chair and the blackboard we call physical platform. Physical platform, we will test you and teach you. Here it is called e-learning process. E-learning is advanced. Yes, everyone want to be know the e-learning process, but e-learning is for undergraduates are difficult. If it a postgraduate student, you are the postgraduate, MSc, MPhil, PhD, postdoc, so many studies are there. So that is the studies you can do e-learning process. Earlier one, that is the design of our grant option. Now the bachelor degree should be in the physical manner, not flat form by electronic media. So please, this time is some difficulties there. Anyhow, you will manage. All of your students facing same. We are not teaching some student directly, some student in the electronic media. All of you, then it is same environment for all of you, right? So I will solve this. Please listen. X square is there, ln x also there, dx also there. So you will now think x square is there, 2x won't be there. 2x is not there, then what I want to do it. So it is a UV format. Don't never think about like that way. There are two functions, different function in the multiple form. Integral sign is in the front. Dx is there. So you can do UV format. Integral by parts concept, right? What's the concept? There are two function in multiple manner. Dx also won't be there. So you ask, no, here dv is there, why you put dx? Hello, that is a v function. V function is depend on the x. You see, v is a function depend on the x. That's why dx is there. Right? All of the integral formula, we told you dx is nearby, dx is nearby. So that is called differentiation index. Is a dx. dv also differentiation index. du also differentiation index. Whatever index won't be there one. So here you see x square and ln x, two different formula. Now what is the u fit on these formula here? Integral sign, yes, integral sign is there. U is there. So from one you will take as a u. Then u is what is u? Right. Here why we take ln x as a u? Ln x u, other one du, dv. U into dv. First one, this is the one. It is not a compulsory concept to u is x square. No. Whatever these two compound, one is x square, one is ln x. Which one u, which one du, you will decide yourself. There are no rule there in integration. That is why they told u is ln x. I will tell you very simply after that. Then one you assign u is ln x, then dv, u into dv. dv is x square, dx is there. ln x is there. dv, what is a dv? Hello, dv over dx is x square. This x square is a meaning dv over dx. So dx is multiplied that x square dx. dv is equal to x square dx. Right? Here also no need to put dx. One compound having dx. This is the u is a real function. U is a real function. This is a derivative function. Right? Whatever derivative function, du, u, c, dx is there. We no need. Right? Some u no. U is equal to ln x. What is the du? After the differentiation, 1 over x. Already you know. What is the du? U is a real function, or we call primary function. This is a differentiation function. After the differentiation, ln x equal to 1 over x. So dx is there nearby. Why? du over dx. This answer is du over dx. dx is multiplied here. Likewise, this is the answer of after the differentiation. So what do you want to find out? The primary function, you want to do it integration. That is why I will teach you integrate. Now dv is there, you want to find out v. Subfunction, main function. This is called integration. This is called differentiation. If it x square, you add 1 to divide by this number. N plus 1 over n plus 1. So v is equal to x cube by 3. dx is there, no need to put, but if you want plus c also, there, here no need this plus c. Finally you put, after the whole thing finish, you put plus c. Right now, you see x square ln x dx equal to You see now, what is this now? U into V. What is U? ln x. So ln x there. What is V? X cube by 3. You see U into V. Minus. Yes, minus sign. Integral sign. V. X cube by 3 into du 1 over x dx. Right? Replace these 4 values in appropriate formula. Replace this value. Now, after the replacement, do it your integration. Here integral sign is not there. Don't think about integration. Keep it as this, x cube by 3 ln x. Minus. Now here integral sign there. Right? 1 over x ln x. Here, when you multiply these two, x cube x cancel, x square is there, 3 is there. Add here x square divide by 3 ln x, simple formula n plus 1 into n plus 1. 2 plus 1 3, divide by 3, 3 into 3 9 now. So the answer, this is your question, this is the question given to you. This is the question given to answer x upon 3 divide by 3 ln x, this is uv minus V into du, x cube by 9 plus c. So this is the answer, right? X cube by 3 ln x minus x cube by 9 plus c. Right? Now you are clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it this. What is the question? U du. Yes, ln x into dx. Why we put here? This is the question. X ln x. X ln x. U du v, where is dv? Right? You see here you see x ln x is a uv. So x ln x is a uv. V d, yes. So u into u ln x dv. dv is a, here dv, what is the dv? Right, I will solve this, don't worry. Okay, you do this one. Very simple. X into, there are 2x. One x is missing there. That is why I will do later. Here you see very simple. This is the one function 5x plus 1. Root of 5x plus 1. X is there. Suppose if you want, you multiply and do it. Multiply x by inside and do it simple. Otherwise, you will keep u is x, dv is a 5x plus 1 into half. That is the root, right? So u into dv is equal to, from the u is x, du is 1. Obviously, you know after the differentiation. So if you integrate half plus 1, n plus 1 over n plus 1. Suppose this is n plus 1, 3 by 2. Divide by 3 by 2. How the 15 come? Divide by 5 also. Why? This 5 is inside. So divide by 5 also. Chain rule. So that is why 2 upon 15. 5x plus 3 by 2. Right? Otherwise 2 by 3. Wrong answer. 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 mean 2 by 3. If you come the denominator 2 into, so 5 also dividing, then 15. Then simply why they add u is x, v is 2 upon 15 cube minus integral sign v into du 1. So here they want to be integrate again 2 by 3 into again 5, that is a 15. Again 2 by 15 into 2 by 25 also there. Why here 5 by 2 now? Hello, 1 plus n plus 1 over n plus 1. So 3, 2, again you differentiate because differentiation symbol is there, again you differentiate this. Integrate. So if you integrate 4 into 375, 15 into 25, 5 by 2 plus 6. This is the answer. Surely you will expect that one question of this. Very simple. This is very simple. If you think positive manner, it is very simple. uv minus v into du plus c. Right? Here you see, earlier one, why I am missing this? Something. du into du, right? Then 1 upon x into right, I will solve this. This is very simple. You see here, x square and sin x. There are two different. Sin x is the one function, x square is another function in the multiple manner. Then you will take u is x square. I told you, whatever you will assign, first you write the equation, then you assign. Right? So assign, you see dv is sin x dx. Then from the sin x, we will do from the dv from v integration subfunction to from d is a dividing function. Then you see this is d is there, this is a subfunction or divided function. This is a main function without d. Subfunction to main function integration. Sin x is cos x but plus differentiation. So it's the integration. Sin x is minus cos x. Right? Don't forget these rules. Integration mean differentiation, all the C compound having minus. Here sin x having minus cos x. Right? If you, how to check? If you differentiate v function to dv, cos x is minus sin x, then here minus sin x won't be there, but here positive is there, that is why they put minus in front of cos. Very careful. So u is a x square, du is a 2x into dx. Then you can write uv minus v into du. Here this also uv format, integral by parts, x square sin x into dx. So here what they do, sin x square. Okay, this is the first x square sin x into dx. Sometime what here u is a du is here v assign as a sin x, here dv as a sin x, here v as a sin. I told you u into dv or v into du you will assign. Here second assignment. That's also having same answer. Don't worry, this is the another one assigned, right? Right. This is called, we will see. This is called, okay. How do you make it? This is equal to this. How it should be? How it should be? Solve, tell me now how it should be. X minus 3 into x plus 2 you multiply. These two you multiply now. Oh, otherwise you factoring this. Factoring x square minus 3x plus 2x, 3 into 2, 6 minus x. Then there are two factoring, there are two compound, x minus 3 and x plus 2. There are two denominators are coming in the bracket. So, but take this denominator as a fraction factor and so here they put minus, right? How they, this 4 and 1, how they come? X minus 3 and x plus 2, you know, factoring technique. Or other way you multiply x into x, x square. X into 2x, okay, 2x. Minus 3, you multiply minus 3x. Here minus 2x, then minus x. 3 into 2, 6. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 6. So it's obviously you know this function have these two factors. This is called factoring technique. How they 4 and 1 are come? Right. What they do, they put here x, here y. We don't know, there are two numbers won't be there. But subtract very important. X and y. X multiplied by x plus 2. You know, this is the common factor. So, this is, we call x. X equal to 4, y equal to 1. X multiplied by these two, y multiplied by these two is equal to 3x plus 11. Then, so likewise, you see here how they do it. You see here, x cube is a one function, x square x. There are three factoring is there. First you take x out. So x square 4x plus 4 is there. After that you do the factoring, x minus 2 and x minus 2 square also there. Right? Three factors. How they solve? I want to be, how they solve this one. You see, I told you put A1, A2, A3. A1 multiplied by A1. So here A2 multiplied by this. A3 multiplied by this. Then you see, so how they solve. A1 is 1, A2 is minus 2, A3 is 2. So these techniques we call fraction. So we will see simple. This is a very simple practice. You see, this is the manner. Here minus 1 is there, here 2 there, here 4 is there. Suppose A1, A2, which one x square? These two adding should be x square coefficient. So you see A1 plus A2 is a minus 1 because A minus 1, minus is there, minus 1. First component. That is a x square component. So x component 2. That is why minus 4A1 minus 2A plus A3 is equal to 2. So 4A1 final compound 4. 4 Hurry. So here A1 1 is there, then A2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1, then A2 is, then you can see A3 also. This is called fraction, right? I will teach you the next class, this fraction compound. Here, dividing multiplication, one formula. You see ln 2x plus 3. Normally, what do you write? 2x should be, if you differentiate 2x, 2 should be there. 2 should be not a new, this is a upper one. Then 2 over 2x minus 3 needed. So if you differentiate this one, this is the answer. So if you want to remove this 2x, you want to divide by 2. 1 by 2 into ln 2x plus 3. 2x is there. That is why 1, 2 is in the upper position. So you want to divide by dividing 2. Right? I told you several times. Here, one very big question. Multiply and constant. You see, sec x and tan x, sec x plus tan x. Multiply and divide. And do it and get the answer here. Very difficult, but no need this one, I will tell you. Constant thing you will multiply and constant thing you will divide. No problem. This also right? So these are the formulas. X into n plus 1 dx here. Same differentiation, same thing, integration. I told you sin x, cos x. Here cos x, sin x. Here cos x minus sin x minus cos x. Tan. These are the trigonometric formulas. So here tomorrow we will see other definite integral. This is the partial fraction, substitution. So before seeing this, we will, these are the approximate integration mean. This is the, actually this is the, we will find out the applications of integration. Trapezoidal rule, Simpson rule and midpoint rule. We will see these three in the application part. Today, tomorrow we will see. Hello. Tuesday you have time? Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Tuesday you have 11 o'clock class?
Yes, sir.
When you free Tuesday? 4 to 5? Or 3 to 4? 2 to 3?
4 to 5.
4 to 5. Tomorrow we will see. Because Wednesday I exam. Tomorrow 4 to 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Write your notebook. Tomorrow 9th. 4 to 5 you are. Otherwise, Wednesday evening you free 3 to 4?
No, sir.
Okay. Tuesday 4 to 5. Write down. And Friday also I have class. Friday normal class is there. Only Wednesday is not there. I will take Tuesday 4 to 5. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will stop here. We will meet on tomorrow 4 to 5. Please wait until 4:30. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Don't go. 4:30 to 6. I want to be finished. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.